In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use the electric pump on Mechanism. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The electric pump is a powered pump with an internal buffer of 10,000 MB worth of fluids. It can pump any fluid that is covered in the Forge Fluid Dictionary and can be placed on a shoreline and will pump the fluid under it and anything fluid under it. So this is how you craft it. You will need a bucket at the top, steel casing in the middle, two enriched alloys on the side, and finally at the bottom some osmium ingots. Once you have your electric pump, you will be able to place the pump one block above a source of water or any other fluid that you desire. From then on, the pump will collect any source block of the fluid that it can find, checking any block it can reach, going along all flowing blocks of the liquid. In the end, the pump collects all source blocks originally connected to the block that it was placed near. It collects 1000 MB of water or 10 MB of heavy water for a cost of 40 FE per operation. If it is not collecting water, it will consume the liquid source block that it collects. Electric pumps have a range of 80 blocks in all directions by default, but that can be configured, so the range is going to be 80 blocks in all directions. To collect heavy water, a filter upgrade must be installed into the pump, which allows the pump to collect heavy water from water. The precise amount of heavy water collected per operation can also be configured. So as long as you place it correctly above the source block of the liquid that you want to suck up, it will be properly collected and distributed. And you can use the filter upgrades like I mentioned before to speed up this operation or collect different source blocks. Now, before I end this video, I want to highlight something I've noticed when I check the channel metrics. 83% of you are not subscribed. If you subscribe to our channel, you can help us bring you the best and most up-to-date videos regarding any questions to games, Minecraft, mod packs, and so on. So consider subscribing, it helps us a lot. I highly count on your subscription. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.